Qazi Engineering Pvt Limited. Successfully commissioned dry mix detergent powder plant. Every successful detergent brand depends on a production system that delivers consistency, control and reliability. At Qazi Engineering Pvt Limited, we design and execute complete turnkey detergent powder plants, engineered from concept to commissioning. This is yet another successfully delivered and fully operational dry mix detergent powder production plant, built with precision and responsibility at every stage. The process begins with the screw tubular conveyor, where raw materials are transferred through a slightly inclined enclosed tube using a rotating screw mechanism, ensuring controlled and dust-free material movement. The material then enters the vibro sieve, which utilizes vibration to efficiently separate and classify particles, ensuring uniformity before further processing. From here, the twin sprocket bucket elevator vertically lifts the classified raw material and transfers it to the batch holding vessel, where it is temporarily stored before moving into the blending stage. To maintain a clean and controlled environment, an integrated dust collector system with pipeline and chamber continuously manages airborne particles. Precision becomes critical at this stage. The automatic Labsa dosing system accurately measures and controls the addition of Labsa, while the automatic water dosing system ensures precise addition of the required water mixture. Both are introduced into the ribbon blender, where a single directional movement imparts a continuous and thorough blend to the detergent powder ingredients, forming a consistent semi-finished base. The semi-finished powder is discharged into a collecting hopper with bin activator, enabling controlled and steady material flow. Through a tube conveyor, utilizing controlled vibration within an enclosed system, the material is smoothly transferred to the cage mill. The cage mill acts as a high-speed impact unit, crushing, delumping and reducing particle size to achieve a fine and uniform powder texture. The refined material is then elevated using a twin sprocket bucket elevator, transferring it into another batch holding vessel, maintaining process balance and continuity. In the final blending stage, the automatic perfume dosing system precisely measures and introduces fragrance into the paddle mixer. The paddle mixer uniformly blends perfume and color speckles into the semi-finished powder, ensuring consistent appearance, fragrance, and quality. The finished powder is then transferred into a collecting hopper with bin activator, initiating controlled discharge into the next conveying system. A tube conveyor moves the finished powder smoothly to a twin sprocket bucket elevator, which lifts the material toward the swept conveyor. The swept conveyor gently transfers the powder horizontally, preserving product integrity as it moves toward final classification. The material then passes through the final vibro sieve, ensuring efficient particle separation and uniformity before storage. Finally, the finished detergent powder is collected in the silo, where it is temporarily stored and discharged in a controlled manner to the packing stage. This fully integrated plant reflects more than equipment installation. It represents a carefully engineered, custom-built solution, designed for efficient production output, minimal manpower involvement, and reliable day-to-day operation. From raw material handling to final output, every stage is seamlessly connected, delivering a smooth, stable, and successfully commissioned detergent powder production system.